Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do another purse. Now I'm using the box for granola bars. This box is a little bit big, but what I have used here is a small box, and this was the chocolate granola bar box. So to make the purse, you need to have some satin fabric, something like shiny fabric, which will look good as a purse. And when it's decorated, so I'm going to double the fabric, and then I will put the fabric lengthwise, and then you put the empty box for any kind of granola bar, taco shell, whatever, as long as it's a box. And now put the fabric around and make sure it's totally covered. And then we're just gonna have to stitch. We're gonna have to double the fabric and put this box inside and cover all the side. So we're going to stitch the fabric on the top and the sides and make it like a pillowcase, as I showed you all the time. And then just basically you decorate before you do it, and then after that you stitch the sides and put handle, and I use bead handle. And just you can use those party necklaces and cut it up and make handles with it. And then I decorated this with beads and sequin. You can use pearl as well, and use my trusty glitter diamonds and fabric paint. And on bottom I put some confetti. So you can put whatever you wish, as long as I just decorate it the way you like. So these are the confetti. They kind of look like mirrors. You can use mirrors, but they will get really heavy. Use just trusty glitter diamonds and all fabric paint, and this is sort of like a glue slash paint, and it stays good. I mean, these kind of purses are fashionable purses, so you're really not gonna wash it or anything. And it's cardboard inside, so you can't wash it anyway. So we're just gonna use this paint as glue, and we will glue all our bead sequins and large confetti. Now I have glued a mirror with it too, so if it's glued on a metal, but this is fabric, you have to just make I use this beads and put in the circle around and on the side, and then I put beads all around the side on the paint. Then I use some sequin and do all the decorations before you stitch, and do it and then dry. And here are the tiny little sequins. All kinds of sequins. You can get this kind of sequins in any craft store. And then I got this rhinestone, and confettis are really cheap, and you can use them as mirror. I mean, I used to buy a real mirror and they were very heavy. Then I realized, why waste so much money on real mirror? It was like 12 of them for $4. You can get a pack of confetti for 99 cents, huge. And maybe now they changed to $1.99. But still, a pack has maybe 100 confetti. And just glue them, and glue as many as confetti you like. And then when you stitch the fabric and trim, then you can put confetti or sequin outside those stitches so people cannot see your stitches. Now I'm going to just wrap this package and that should just you do with two fabric, one inside, one outside, so you kind of like give inside just feeling for inside, so your inside will look good and you can keep your things. So as I showed you before, have two fabrics, so same width and length, one for inside and tuck it in, and then one for outside, so that way you have enough fabric. And you can use actually felt inside the fabric, so it'll be a little soft, and then just stitch the sides as you fold it. Now you can make it like a bag, stitch it and make it like a bag, like a pillowcase, and keep the top open, then slip in your box, and then stitch the top and the side. Use trim for this one. I use trim and stitch it, and then I glued the confetti with glitter dimensional paint, so you cannot see my stitches. And these are like party purses, you can go wild with it, with all your ideas, and add it. You're gonna wear it when you wear your beautiful party dresses. You can just carry it in your hand and put some snap buttons on top, so your cell phone, keys and purse does not fall off. You can take a little purse inside and put all your belongings inside a purse and close it, and then put it inside this. And this one, make sure it has 2 snap buttons or 3 inside, so it doesn't fall off. And then the confetti really looking nice. It's like very shiny, and the handle is really pretty with this party necklaces. I found new use for that. I got a lot of party necklaces once. Yeah, for the party I bought it, I think it was first January party, New Year's party. People get party necklaces and all that, hats. So I use them to repurpose to make purses and stuff. So this is how you just put your fabric and stitch, and then just go wild with it, with the decoration, whatever you feel like it. And it's, after all, I think like fashion should be your own statement. You don't need others' permission to how you want to do your fashion or create something. It's something your imagination, and whatever you put out there is fashion. Who's to say it's not good or it's not fashion? I mean, everybody is doing things in their creative way, and so yeah, you do your things with your creative way. And so be sure to use the same kind of fabric, 2 of them, one for inside lining and other one for outside. And then just do the decoration of the fabric first, then slip it in like a pillowcase, and then do all your rest of the decoration stitching. Now this is something you gotta hand stitch. You can't really do it in the machine. I mean, you can make the pillow cover thing in the machine and slip it in, and rest of it is hand stitch, and have fun with it. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.